Talk about a beautiful way to start off Monday, guys. Check it out. It's currently about 1:15 p.m. on the East Coast, and we have Sofi stock up over 3.3%, trading at $10.52. So we have to break down the charts, my thoughts, of course, what I'm looking to do, and most importantly, where I see SoFi stock going in the short term. So guys, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get up to 15 stocks from Moo. Listen to this, guys. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks and you get a $30 cash reward. And fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, and your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, that's a no-brainer. It's the best deal in the market right now. So check out the link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/moo. Get your money. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get right into the video. So SoFi, like I said, it's at $10.51 right now, completely breaking out of the highs from Friday, which, by the way, during the day, we hit $10.15. So that was the high. Then after the bell, we ran all the way to $10.30. So we saw momentum build up after the bell as well. And this morning, we saw a little bit of a sell-off in the pre-market. We held roughly 10.15 on that pullback in the pre-market, and it's been uphill ever since, right? We popped to about $10.25 by open. Then we ripped all the way to $10.50 in the first 5 minutes of trading. Then we got a bit of a pullback. You guys see that here on the intraday. We got down to about $10.22 at about $11.15 on the East Coast. And then we held that point at a higher low. We held the uptrend here on the intraday, looking back to Friday's price action, and we completely broke out and we hit $10.55, and here we are. We're at $10.52. We're about to retest the intraday high, which we're about 3 cents away from right now. So this looks phenomenal. It looks so good for the bulls, guys. It can't look any better, right? And what did I tell you? I literally said this in my video yesterday on Sunday. I told you guys, look, if SoFi gaps up in the morning, if we gap above 10.30, watch for the breakout. Watch for more green. What did I say? I literally said this yesterday, guys, and here we are. We gapped up above 10.30 at open. We started breaking out to 10.50. Then we pulled down. We got the retest of the trend here. Bulls came in exactly where they needed to, guys, and now here we are. We're pushing 10.55, which it's as great as the bulls could have asked for today, right, guys? We're up 3.5% now, up 35 cents, and we're completely breaking out. And now on the intraday, if we're really nitpicking these charts, we do have a cup and handle. You guys see it right here. If I zoom in even more, we can see that cup and handle, which it's glitching on me right now, guys. What's going on here? There we go. You guys see the cup, the handle. So let's get an idea, or not even an idea. Let's be patient and see if this chart pattern, chart idea, whatever you want to call it, if it plays out. If the cup and handle does play out, we take out 10.55, and it's off to the races from there, guys. We could be breaking out to a 15-month high at that point, right? 14-month high. Last time we were over 1060, I think, was back in July of 2023, back in August of 2023. That time period, which, yeah, we're talking about 15 months ago, guys. So keep your eyes on the cup and handle here on SoFi on the very short term. In the very short term. Here on the 5-day, you guys can see with this move, we're now taking out the highs from a week ago, which is good. Not by much, but we're taking them out by a couple cents. It looks like here last Tuesday, we hit about $10.48, 49 cents. So now we're taking that point out, which is huge. Here on the 20-day chart, you can see clearly We're bouncing off the 180 SMA. Now we're breaking over the 50 SMA. Everything you want to see from a bullish perspective, right? And on the 4-hour chart, look at this, man. This looks so good. We got a bit overbought last week at 1050. We cooled off a bit to about 960. Buyers came in above the 50 SMA here on the 4-hour time frame. And now, just like that, we're continuing the breakout, right? The uptrend is continuing, guys. This looks really good. And by the way, earnings are coming up next week. I think Tuesday. Yeah, next Tuesday morning. In the morning, pre-market, we're getting SoFi's numbers. So keep your eyes on that. And like I said, now we're pushing to a 14, 15-month high as we've officially taken out 1050. We haven't fully broken out of it. I mean, we're still wrestling with 1050 right now, but we're peeking out of it, guys, which means this is the first time since, like I said, July, August of 2023 that we've been above 1050 in this range at least, right? So now that we're taking this level out, if momentum really builds up here, SoFi could be going towards 1175. That's the next gap to fill, which we hit that point July of 2023. That's where I think things could go. And if they just knock earnings out of the park, man, if they crush it, this could be going there sooner rather than later. Don't be surprised if it happens sooner rather than later. So, full disclosure, I'm long SoFi. A lot of you guys that have been watching my content, you know about that. I own the stock. I've owned it for a little less than a year now, so it's not like I've been in this thing for years and I'm waiting for it to move. I bought it at 680. That's my average cost across 2 accounts. And I'm doing well. I'm liking it. I'm loving it, to be honest. Now that we're up almost $4 per share, I'm feeling pretty good. And I think, honestly, there's more upside to come. And when I was buying the shares under $7, in the $6 range, in the high fives, I knew, not with 100% certainty, because you can't be so certain in the stock market, but I had a good feeling. I knew, as much as to the highest extent that I could know, that ultimately SoFi will get to $8, $9, $10 plus per share. And here we are, man. And honestly, I think it's going even higher. That's my opinion here. But let's be patient. It's gone up a lot in the last couple weeks. We have earnings coming up. Let's take it easy, man. Let's be patient and wait things out. And I'm excited I have so far with SoFi, and I'm excited to continue holding on to this stock. So yeah, what do you guys think? And the beautiful thing is, guys, this is all in the midst of a red day for the stock market, where the Russell's down 1.4%, the Dow's down about 0.75%, the Nasdaq's down 0.1%, S&P's down 0.3%. So all of these are selling off. The VIX is up 3.5%, and SoFi is still pushing, man, up over 3%. It goes to show the strength in this stock. It's looking good. Let's just say that. So with that being said, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the email list. It's free. I send you guys my top 3 stocks every single Monday right to your inbox. That's right down below in the description box. And shout out to everybody that's been joining the Patreon. I appreciate you all for all your extended support. I'm actually building out a portfolio on Patreon. I have been now for almost 2 years. And guys, I post all the moves, all the stocks I'm buying, everything I'm selling. I'm putting in money every single week in that portfolio. And you can see exactly how I build a real money portfolio. And guys, let's just say it's been doing very well. We're crushing the S&P 500. And there's also a Discord chat. You get my charts and ideas and more access to me throughout the week. All of that's on Patreon, link down below in the description or in the comment section, or simply go to stassurfest.com/Patreon, guys. It's that simple. Again, I appreciate your support. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.